Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm responsible for the international sales with easescreen, the digital signage solution for all different kind of applications you would like to have. Right now, one of the magic moments we would like to show you is anything and everything you hear and see just in a couple of seconds now is also based on easescreen. It's a jungle out there, it's a wild world. Just be with the best in the industry and be on the safe side with easescreen. Looking forward to meet you at the ISE 2020, Hall 8, booth E120. And if you would like to know more, go to our webpage, easescreen.com. Easescreen with an E. Looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.